Good morning, students. Today we are going to consider the problems from exercise 5.3, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd, problem number 1. In an AP, given that A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and SN. Find N and SN. I will recall all the formulas. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then SN is equal to N by 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. SN is equal to N by 2 A plus L. In another way, N by 2 into bracket A plus AN. AN is the last term and A is the first term. By using this 4 and simple formula, just like A10 is equal to A plus 9D. According to this 5 formulae, we have to solve the sums from the exercise 5.3, question number 3rd. Question number 1. The value of A is given, D is given, AN is given. Find N and SN. First we use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. By using this first formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 50 equal to A is 5. N minus 1 into 3, the value of D is 3. 50 plus 5 shifted towards left side minus 5. Then N minus 1 into 3. 45 equal to N minus 1 into 3. Now we shift that 3 towards left side. 45 upon 3 equal to N minus 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, carry 1, 3 5 are 15. 15 is equal to N minus 1. 15 plus 1 equal to N. Lastly we get the value of N as 16. By using this formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We simplify, substitute the value. After simplifying, we will get the value of N is equal to 16. Now we have to find the SN. To find the SN, there are 3 formulas. SN is equal to N by 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. When first term and common difference are known, at that time we use that formula. When the first term and last term is known, at that time we use that formula SN is equal to. Here we know the first term and last term. Therefore we find SN. SN is equal to N by 2 into bracket A plus AN. We use this formula, simple formula, SN is equal to N by 2 into bracket A plus AN. SN equal to, the value of N is 16 by 2 into A. A means 5 and AN, last term of that AP is 50. 16 by 2 is 8 into 55. 8 5 is 40, 4 carry, 8 5 is 40 plus 4. 44. Therefore, SN of that NAP is 440. Such type of questions will be asked for 1 mark, 2 mark in question number 1 and in question number 2. Hope you understood this. Now we solve second sum. In second sum, what is given? A equal to 7, then A13, 13th term of that NAP is given, that is 35. Find D and S13. Find D and S13. The two things are given. A is equal to 7, first term is given, then A13 means 13th term of that an AP is given, that is 35. We have to find D and S13. A13, I just give one example. If A10 is given, then A10 can be written as A plus 9D. While finding the 10th term, we have to add 9 times of that common difference in the first term. Here A13 is given. A13 is given as 35. To calculate A13, we have to add A plus 12 times that common difference in first term. First term is A plus 12 times of that common difference. By adding that common 12 times of that common difference in the first term, then we get the 13th term. A13 is equal to A plus 12D equal to 35. The value of A is 7. But A is equal to 7. Substitute that value. 7 plus 12D equal to 35. Here also so many students do mistake here. They can add these two values. 12 plus 7, 19D. But we can't add that two values because the two values are not like terms. Therefore, we have to shift first that 7 towards right side. 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. 12D is equal to 35 means 28. 35 minus 7, 28. D equal to 28 upon 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. D is equal to 7 by 3. Here the value of D is in fraction form. D is equal to 7 by 3. Now we have to find the S13. A and A13, first and last term is known. S13 is equal to N by 2 into bracket A plus AN. Here the value of N is 13 by 2. The value of A is 7 plus 35. 13 by 2 into 42. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are. 13 into 21. Now multiply by 13. 13 1s are 13. 3 carry 1. 13 2s are 26 plus 1. 273 is the value of S13. First we find the common difference D, that we obtain as 7 by 3, and then S13 we obtain as 273. Now we consider next problem. Question number 3rd. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. Find A and S12. That we have to find. Again we use the same formula. A12 is given. A12 is equal to 37. A12 means A plus 11 times D is equal to 37. The value of D is given 3. A plus in bracket 11 into 3. The value of D we substitute here equal to 37. A plus product of these two. 11 3s are 33 equal to 37. A equal to 37 minus 33. A is equal to 4. By using this, value of A12 is equal to 37. We know the value of D, then we find the value of A. Now we are going to find the value of S12. S12 means N is known. A12 last term and first term we calculate. Same formula, N by 2, A plus AN. S12 is equal to the value of N is 12, 12 by 2. The value of A we find earlier, that is A is equal to 4. Substitute that value. Plus AN. AN means A12 here. That is 37. 12 by 2 is 6 into 41. 37 plus 4, 41. 6 1s are 6. 6 4s are 24. The value of A is equal to 24 and the value of S12 is 246. Now we move forward. Question number. Simple sums are there. Only you have to use the correct formula, do the correct calculation, and find the correct answer. That is important. Calculation part is very important. Question number 4. Sub question number 4. What is given? In this problem, A3 is equal to 15. Third term of that AP is given. S10 is equal to 1 to 5. Find D and A10. Find D and A10. Little bit lengthy problem. Given A3, third term of that AP is given. S10 is equal to 125. D and A10 we have to calculate. First we use that A3 is equal to 15. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 15. We didn't know the value of A and D. Therefore denote it as equation number 1. A plus 2D is equal to 15. Now we consider S10. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Why we didn't use this formula which we used in previous problem? Because while finding the S10 we must know the first term A and A10th term of that AP is that we have to calculate. Therefore we use this formula Sn in terms of A and D. S10 n is equal to 10, 10 upon 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. The value of S10 is 125. We substitute here. The value of S10 is 125. 10 by 2 is 5. 2a plus 9d. 10 minus 1, 9d. Now we shift that 125 upon 5, 2a plus 9d, 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 2 carry, 5 5 the 25. Therefore we get another equation 2a plus 9d equal to 25. Denote this as equation number 2. Now we have to simplify these two terms. We have to find the value of d. Therefore we are going to eliminate a variable. Here the coefficient of a variables are not same, therefore multiply equation 1 to make coefficients of variable a. We multiply equation 1 by 2. 2 in bracket a plus 2d equal to 15. 2 in bracket a plus 2d is equal to 15. Multiply by 2. 2a plus 4d equal to 30. Denote this as equation number 3. We have to subtract. Which equation we are going to subtract? Either 2 from 3 or 3 from 2. For that I already told you. While deciding which equation you are going to subtract from which another equation, at that time you have to see towards right side. Here the right side of equation 2 is smaller than right side of equation 3. Therefore, we subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Then 2a plus 4d equal to 30. Equation 2 we have to subtract 2a plus 9d equal to 25. Change the sign. Minus minus minus, old sign, round up, plus 2a minus 2a will get cancelled. Different sign subtraction, 9 minus 4 5 minus 5d equal to 30 minus 25 5. D is equal to 5 upon minus 5, d equal to minus 1. The value of d which we have to calculate, the value of d is minus 1. Now we find A10. For that we need a also. Therefore first we find the value of a. Put in equation 1. We are going to find the value of a first term. Therefore, first term is going to calculate by this equation 1. A plus 2d is equal to 15. Substitute the value of d. A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. I substitute that value of d in equation 1. Instead of d, I write minus 1. A minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 plus 2. A is equal to 17. The value of A is 17. Now we find A10. A10 equal to A plus 9D. The value of A is 17 plus 9 into the value of D is minus 1. 17 minus 9 means 8. The value of A10 equal to 8.